Yo, what up? Welcome back to our channel, a little bit of A&S. Today, I got something good for you guys. You guys, that want to do something nice for your wives or girlfriends that you may not have enough money to take them out to do. But check this out. What we're going to do today, we're going to do something called stuffed chicken breast. You know what I'm saying? It don't cost that much. You know what I'm saying? You get a little pack of chicken breast for maybe like $3. For a single or two people. You get you a $5 shrimp, bag of shrimp. You know what I'm saying? And the ingredients are, what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna we got the chicken breast right here. We got the shrimp right here. This the shrimp we're gonna put inside the chicken breast. We got green peppers, bell pepper, onions, and jalapeno peppers. The dry ones, not the spicy ones. I mean, not the wet ones. Gonna have some cheese in there. I got my seasonings over here. First thing we're gonna do, like I always say, most people don't watch their meat. I got to watch everything I put in my body and in my family's body. All right. Next thing we do, we grab the chicken breast. See that little bit of fat on there? You want to pull that off.
All right.
Take the chicken breast over to the cutting board. Grab you a nice old good sharp knife. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut it down the side. Gonna get it opened up real good. It's like you opening a fish. Gonna open it up like that. But these shrimps I got here, you're gonna take that, put it in there like that. This one actually a big size, so it's probably gonna take two. Take that. You take some cheese first. And you put that right there so it can hold the inside. Then you take and put your shrimp in. Grab you a few pieces of onion. Put it in like that. Some bell peppers. Throw that in. Some jalapenos. Some people like spicy, some people don't. You take it, you fold it over. Make sure you keep it all right in there. I forgot my cheese, y'all. Got to put a little bit of cheese on the top. That way it stick real good while you stuffing it. You take it and you fold it over. Real nice and good, just like that. Take it. After that, take and grab it and take it to the pan. Okay. There we go. Like I said, another one, we're going to cut it.
Right down the middle. You open up. Pick that fish know what I'm talking about. And I cut that sucker right down the middle. You want to be careful so you don't tear the meat. That's it. There you go. You grab the cheese. The cheese in there. You grab the shrimp. Put the shrimp in there. Take a little bit of onion. A little bit of green peppers. Bell pepper. Some of this old nice old spicy jalapeno. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Got that cheese. Put that cheese in there like that right there. Oh. Good and stuffed real good. So
the thing is, how I'm gonna keep this closed is that I use toothpicks. Just so when it's cooking, it don't come open. You know what I'm saying? You get your dollar pack of toothpicks. Don't cost that much. You take them and you stick it in each one. That way, it doesn't come open while it's cooking. Like so.
So you'll be back when you finish doing the rest.
I'll be right back when I finish the rest. Alright, welcome back. Here we go. We got it all stuffed and prepped. We're about to get ready to season it up. Make sure we got everything good to go. First thing first. I like butter. Butter bring out so much flavor in the food, you know what I'm saying? So what I do is I take this butter and, you know, get it on there real good, saturated real good. Butter seems to make food taste amazing. I'm telling you, your girl gonna love this now. Like that. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Come over here. We got this Worcestershire. Man, they do something too, boy. Talking about for taste. Man, look here. They do a number. You know, you ain't gotta put too much. Then, like I always say, you know what I'm saying? Slap your mama, man. That's the real deal right there. Go ahead and sprinkle that across the top. Just like that. Oh yeah. Just like that. Boom. Come back with some good old parsley. You know what I'm saying? Something to add a little bit of color on there. Bingo. Just like that. Now, you don't waste your vegetables. I don't waste none of this, so I go ahead and kind of toss that in there as well. You know, you want this thing to be good for her, boy. You want when it hit that belly, boy, she be ready for something, boy. Feel me? Y'all don't know nothing about that right there. Y'all trying to teach y'all young folks something. That, boom, and we ready to go in the oven. Oh y'all. Hey, stay tuned. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna show you the finished product after it's done. In the oven we go. Here we go, y'all. Welcome back again. Now we got the finished product. Check it out. Now I'm gonna take this out because I want y'all to see how it came out. Oh, look at that. Whew. It's like a hot too. Tastes amazing. So I'm gonna cut it down the middle like so. You see I got my toothpicks. Open it right up. Ooh, look at that right there. The bomb. Check it out. Check that out right there. That's called a stuffed chicken breast. The bomb diggity. Well, with that being said, I hope everybody enjoyed their Valentine Day. You know, wine and dine your ladies. Ladies, wine and dine your men. You know, Have a good time. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe. Yo, peace.